Very good morning. I am Vittal Gambhir, Director Marketing, Vibhava Marketing Corporation. Today, this is a very happy occasion. We are launching new product. My entire team from Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Maharashtra and Odisha are joining us in this event. Our distributors, our valued vendors, all our C&F agents and our depot staff have also joined this event from various places across India. On behalf of Vibhava, I welcome you all for this great event. I am very happy to introduce you all our very dynamic and visionary CEO, Shri Nandakumar sir. We have with us today our Director of Finance, Shri Dattatreya Ratan. We have with us Shri Vinod Javali, our General Manager Production. And we have the young team, Shri Dhruva Chandra, our marketing in charge for Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu and Kerala. And I am very happy to introduce you Mr. Aditya, who is in charge of the entire division of detergent. So, this is a very happy occasion. The event is about launching a new product. I now request the dignitaries to light the lamp and launch the product.
Hello.
Thank you. And now is the moment we are all waiting for. We are about to launch a new product. Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot. I now request our CEO, sir, for the keynote address.
Good morning, everybody, and all the esteemed distributors, valued vendors, trusted consumers, and very important, the entire Vibhova family, very good morning.
Thank you, sir.
Vibhova from last 3 decades has earned a special position, special status in the hearts of consumer. The consumers have tried various Vibhova products, trusted and supported Vibhova products, and they are happy with Vibhova for over 3 decades. So whenever it comes to consumer, it is Vibhova brand. Tried, tested and trusted. Today, very happy to introduce Monkey 555 Wonder Wash. As all of us know, detergents play a very key important role in our day-to-day life. Very essential product for our day-to-day need and cleaning. We launched Monkey 555 Wonder Wash through our trusted vendors in 2019. In last 2 years, Vibhova has sold more than 10,000 metric tons of Monkey 555. That is the brand goodwill Vibhova carries. After having so much of vast experience, trials, and understanding the market needs and consumer requirements, Vibhova always strive to give the best of its best to its consumer, best of best to its distributors and to the market, best of best to its trusted retailers. All of us know that detergent are priced somewhere between 60 to 80 rupees a kg. Vibhova Monkey 555 Wonder Wash is priced at 68 rupees. Wait, 68 rupees, it is not 1 kg, it is 50% extra 1.5 kgs. Keeping the average Indian family size, it suffices the entire family need, costing just 2 rupees 25 paise per day. The Vibhova Monkey 555 Wonder Wash at the cost of 2 rupees 25 per paise for an average Indian family supports entire month's cleaning requirement. Truly for the value for the money. After selling a huge quantities, more than 10 lakh units, after noticing the market requirements, demands, we came out with a blue colored packet and 1.5 kg packet, which is the first time of its kind in the market segment in India. Coming next, being a tropical country, we need an excellent fragrance for a detergent powder, and it is Vibhova formulation. The fragrance is excellent, it is taken care of. Of late we are facing very I don't call it as critical, a difficult scenario at the water level. We get sometimes more saline water, hard water, but I assure through this live streaming to all my consumers, distributors, retailers, Monkey 555 Wonder Wash gives excellent foaming also. Value for money, excellent fragrance and cleaning properties, just cost 2 rupees 25 paise per day, a 68 rupees pack with 50% extra, that is 1.5 kg pack, and icing on the cake, it comes with a consumer offer. We are giving 15 rupees worth stainless steel scrubber with each packet. That is Vibova being a trusted name, through this live streaming, I request the entire distributors and the retailers patronage Monkey 555 Wonder Wash. All these years, you have taken us to a different heights, different corners, reaching to the millions of consumers, and Vibova products have served millions of homes in housekeeping solutions, and I request through this live streaming that my team, Vibova team, will come up with best of best services, after sale services, taking their time out and reaching to you in all difficult times, seeing that the supplies are made in time, quality is supported always, and value for money to the consumer. Thank you one and all for being with us, and I thank the production team, marketing team for offering such a wonderful product in such a short span of time. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now I would like to thank whole Vibova for giving this such a wonderful product to our marketing team. I am very confident, sir, that my team will put all the efforts to make this product a very grand success.
Yes.
And I thank all my distributors for all the support to make this product reach in each and every outlet all over the country. And at the last, I would like to thank all the esteemed customers of Vibova for their unflinching support throughout so many years. Thank you.
With this, we conclude this event, and we are very confident the entire customer base and retailers and distributors will wholeheartedly welcome our new product and make it a grand success. Thank you everyone. Thanks a lot. Come on, Josh.